Just a quick unboxing of the Samsung S22 Ultra Ultra Wide Edition 256 GB memory. Already I had purchased a box yesterday, just making a video of opening. It's a phone, white color. What you get inside the box is an SIM ejector tool, some booklet, regional guide, and type C to type C cable. No charger. Anyway, it supports wireless charging up to 45 watts and wireless charging of 25 watt and fast charging of 45 watt. You have to buy another charger separately. This was a quick unboxing. See you with the review. Thank you. S pen over here. S pen.